This is bath time. Yo, nasty motherfucker, ain't you? Yo, nasty cat. That tongue. That sandpaper tongue. Hey. Am I interrupting something? Man, chill out, bro. You be doing too much. I wasn't even close to you. I was just monitoring you. He like, get my back. He's like, get my back. Shut up and get my back. He said, shut up and get my back, bro. Hey, man. He said, hey, back to the front. He said, shut up. He said, bro, get my back. Hey, pound it. I got to go in the house. I said, give me that belly. I got cat belly. They be doing too much, but I promise he does.